Okay, so new update. This is the standard F22 B1 block I had that wasn't gonna run. These are 85 millimeters stock. I was able to get a deal on a F22A block. This one has golden eagle sleeves, and these are 85.5. So I'm selling all the original parts that I had and gonna be building this block instead. Still gonna be doing a G22 setup, but I have to get bigger pistons now, new rods, and basically run this setup. So right here is the head. Just want to show you a little bit of what they were doing. It seems as if they started to, I guess, sand out inside the valves. So this is the one that they started to work on, and everything else just left alone. I guess it just became too much work. But I'm gonna see if I could just, get some sandpaper and start cleaning out in these areas just to at least match it up. But if not, just throw it on boost, or just get a completely new head. But we're gonna see. I just gotta still check this little plug to make sure it doesn't leak. These are all pre-installed, and these are the rods for the build. These are the rods that will be going in the motor. Some old school H22 car rods, so these should be pretty good to handle all the boost, at least that this current setup could make. And like the fact that he has it labeled right here. Okay, update. These rods are 100% wrong. Now the issue with that is the whole process, the whole plan I made was in conjunction with these being the correct thing as advertised per the company that was selling these. They're wrong. They don't fit. Oh yeah, they don't fit. So I have the measurements I'm gonna include right now in the video. Then you can see why they don't fit. This is a F22 crank. It's the same as an H22 measurement wise. So whatever would fit here will fit on the H. Okay, these are painted to come off, so I'm just gonna show you. As you can see, they can't even fit in the journals. So how could these be for H22 if they can't even fit in the actual journal? Yes, I already tried this on the H22 crank. The picture that I showed you before is of the H22 crank, but I left that at my friend's house. So that's the issue I'm dealing with right now. Now with this whole issue, I got to figure this out. So now I'm just gonna start selling everything back. Plans change again. So everything I just built, decided to do, just went down the tube. So as I said, plans all changed. Now I'm taking these apart, selling all these rods and pistons, because now I'm about to figure out something else, not approach. Yeah, I got something, of course I got something in the works, but I gotta get rid of these first before I can make my plans work. But yeah, everything was good until it's not, right? It was all good a week ago. And that's just the H22 crank laid up in the cut. So this is a block I will be running. I was able to get a good deal on this block. It's a golden eagle sleeve F22A block. So I will be cleaning this one up, running this, having it overboard to about 87 for H22 pistons, and run this as opposed to the stock F22B block that I had. So I'm gonna sell this, sell the pistons I have, and start building that block over there. Yes, once again, we're changing plans. I'm sure you probably know that by now, but this is the F22 B1 block that I had. OEM, stock sleeve, great bore. I think these were 86, I believe, or 85. Yeah, these are 85s. So everything was good. I had the pistons for it, which now I'll be selling because I picked up this. This is a F22 A block, sleeved by Golden Eagle. I just gotta redo the bores. It's just a little dirty, a little surface rust from sitting. Nothing too crazy. Just gotta bore those out and just run 87 pistons. I have the H22 crank in the back, right there in the bag. It's already polished, cleaned, and just clean it up. Throw it back in this. Get the pistons, run it, and have fun. The pistons are about a 2-month delay from. I'm trying to go with KS tuning. So I'm just gonna buy those, order those up on Monday, get them whenever they come, and then I'll think about putting up to get a whole thing, because I'm sure to bore that out it's gonna be about $600 in machine work alone just for that. Then we got to do the head, clean the head out, make sure the head is flat, deck, about $800 to $1,000 in machine work from what I'm seeing. So meantime, finish up this harness, make sure the car runs, drive it as is with the stock engine with boost, enjoy it, and when I get the rest of the stuff in, I could start reassemble and making everything else work. So like, comment, subscribe, because I'm gonna need all the funds. More stuff came in. I believe these are the belts, and these are some headlights. Actually, let me check it to make sure it's not damaged. Bag of peanuts. Oh, box within the box. This is for obviously the Accord, and probably won't be used until the car is painted or whatnot, because they do have a set on the car already, but just keeping these as spares, because we all know these things are getting harder and harder to find. So everything's good, it's not broken or damaged, so time to put these into storage. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.